cut off the sticker line. Make XY moving easiest. Open the front of cover, take out all accessories. There are all machine accessories. This is machine smoke tube. Install it at here. This is air pump. Now is installing this air pump. Connect this air pump to the laser machine. This is water pump. The water pump function is cooling CO2 laser tube. It is a very important installation. Notice. Ensure the water outlet pipe has water out. Make sure that the distance is correct between laser head and materials. Connect USB cable with your computer. Put software dongle key to computer. Now you can use the laser machine for your works.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.